Hey guys, welcome to ukeguide. I hope you all are doing well. In this lesson we have something special for you all, and it is one of the most requested songs recently. It is Namo Namo from the movie Kedarnath, and I'm sure you all are pretty excited to play it. So in case you do, take out your uke. Now once you get your uke, you have to be sure that your ukulele is in tune. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, let us quickly see what all chords we need to play this song. So there are 4 chords, and these chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F, and chord G. So to play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C will sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. So let's talk about strumming pattern and discuss each section of this song step by step. So first of all, I'm gonna give you details about strumming pattern, and in this song we're using a very common and easy strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So let's discuss each section of this song step by step, and we're gonna start with verse part. And to play verse part, we're gonna use 2 chords, and these chords are chord C and chord F. So let's start playing verse part, and then I'm gonna explain you how you can play it. Jai ho Shankara, Adi Dev Shankara. So up till here you didn't do much. You played this pattern 2 times on chord C, then on chord F you played this pattern 1 time, and on chord C again you played this pattern 1 time. So Jai ho Shankara, Adi Dev Shankara. Now after that you have to repeat the same thing. Tere jaap ke bina chale ye saans kis tarah. Now in next part there is a little difference, and we have to play this pattern 1 time on each chord. So let's start playing this part too. मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला, क्या बुरा है क्या भला, क्या बुरा है क्या भला, तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आँख मूंद के चला, आँख मूंद के चला, आँख मूंद के चला. Now once you're done with verse part, you have to start pre-chorus. So let me quickly start playing pre-chorus for you. तेरे नाम की जोत में सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा. Okay, so it's fairly easy. You have to play this pattern 1 time each chord. So we have chord A minor, chord F, chord G, and chord C. Okay, so तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा. So you end with chord C and you play only a single downstroke. So that's how you play pre-chorus part. So the next part is chorus, and to play chorus part we have to use this pattern 1 time each chord. So there are 4 chords, chord C, chord A minor, chord F, and chord G. Okay, and we'll play it like this. Namo Namo Ji Shankara, Bholenath Shankara, हे त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा. नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा. So the next part of this song is bridge, and to play this part you have to use single downstrokes. So we're going to use 3 chords here. The chords are chord F, chord C, chord G. Okay, there are 3 chords, and on each chord you will be playing single downstrokes. If you want, you can also strum on these chords, that would be completely fine, but according to the song you will be playing single downstrokes. सृष्टि के सृजन से भी पहले तेरा वास्ता था, ये जग रहे या न रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस्था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता, महानता, महानता। So guys, the next parts of this song would be verse 2, pre-chorus and chorus, and we're gonna play them exactly the same way like what we played in verse 1, pre-chorus and chorus. So I'm sure you already got the idea, and you would not be having any problem in playing these parts too. I'm singing this song with Capo on fret 1. This is as per my scale, but in case you sing on a higher scale than me, then you can move this Capo up or you can move it down as per your requirement. So that would be completely fine, and it will help you in playing this song in much better way. One, two, three, four. जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह। मेरा कर्म तो ही जाने, क्या भला है क्या बुरा, तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला। तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, हे त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा। सृष्टि के सृजन से भी पहले तेरा वास्ता था, ये जग रहे या न रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस्था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता, महानता, महानता। सीपियों की ओट में मोतियां हो जिस तरह, मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा है उस तरह। मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा, अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है ये बस तेरा। तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, हे त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा।